Hello, dear friends. This is the Phone Support channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helps you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to tell and show you how to completely delete your Facebook account. This method is very simple and will take a couple of minutes of your time, and you'll be able to delete your account in a couple of clicks so no one can see it or find it. How to do it? It's very simple. For an easy way, you better download the Facebook app, but you can also delete your account in your browser. Now log into our account. Then you click on the profile. Click on settings. Click on search and write delete. Here we read, delete my profile, click on. Here we can deactivate our account. You hide it for a while or delete it completely. Press delete account, then click the button below. Here we see that we will delete all profiles attached to our. Choose the reason we want. Click continue. Read the warning. It says here what data will be deleted from our, so you can decide if you want to delete your account or not. Click delete account. Now enter the password for your account and click next. You are asked if you want to delete your account. You click yes, and your account is permanently deleted. As you can see, this is a very simple and fast way. Done. There's nothing complicated at all. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.